Another teen has turned himself into police in connection with that headline-grabbing illegal party at the home of a retired NFL player.
Damian DeGennaro of Berlin is the first of those arrested to actually come out and apologize, though he admits today he had his own reasons for saying "I'm sorry."
I do truly feel sorry.
It's the first apology we've heard from any of the teens arrested in connection with a massive Labor Day weekend party. A bash where police say breaking into and trashing a former NFL player's house were all part of the festivities.
Yes, I did something wrong.
But how sincere was Damian DeGennaro's mea culpa? Outside court, the college freshman admitted to reporters that part of the reason he's apologizing is because he likes the camera time.
Oh, you were on TV. Yeah, I was. Unfortunately, it was, under negative circumstances, but FaceTime is FaceTime, right?
The TV time apparently wasn't enough for the 18-year-old charged with felony burglary, petty larceny, and criminal trespass. DeGennaro tweeted a pouty-faced selfie from the back of the sheriff's investigator's car, along with a play-by-play of his day turning himself in, that he was chillin' at the sheriff's office, thought his mugshot was cute, and, quote, "media loves me." In fairness, he's the first person charged in connection with the headline-making party at Brian Holloway's Stephentown home to admit he was wrong.
If I could go back, I would definitely.
But there's no going back for him, the 7 others already arrested, or the 300 plus that police are still working to identify.
I believe we're all at blame. We all had, we made the choice to go to the party or attend the party.
DeGennaro can only hope for a little leniency for fessing up, even if it was partly for publicity. You'll remember Brian Holloway asked those involved to come to his house and help clean up shortly after the party. DeGennaro says he didn't get to do that because he started college the Tuesday after Labor Day weekend.